Maybe we should just call it the Chinese internet sector gold rush, Peter. Two Chinese U.S. listed firms, VIP Shop and YY, both seeking convertible bonds, and it adds up to about $1 billion worth.
Well, and that's right, Tara, and there's going to be more to come as well if the information we're getting is correct. And really, our view on this is that this kind of shows you the enthusiasm, the incredible enthusiasm in the States for anything to do with Chinese internet. There's been this huge rally in these stocks, and people are now willing to buy bonds, which pay actually a relatively low rate of interest, but which are convertible into shares in these companies at quite big premiums to where they're trading at the moment. And it's really just all part of this Chinese internet frenzy in the US, and at the same time, these Chinese internet companies at home trying to raise cash to kind of stock up their war chests and try and stake out some territory in this incredibly fast-growing environment.
And of course, we have the mother of all internet listings for China in the U.S., Alibaba, coming up. So there's some air with that as well. But in terms of the frenzy and the amount that they're raising, you've got to wonder how long this is going to last.
Investors are very enthusiastic about anything sort of to do with Chinese internet, and they're also quite keen on these convertible bonds. So that allows these companies to get low interest rates on the bonds and high conversion premiums, which means they only convert if the rally continues. But at the same time, there's also sort of a push factor from China, which is that these companies really, they see this rally isn't going to necessarily last forever. And some of them are, kind of not necessarily profitable, still raising cash, or want to make investments. We've seen a lot of internet companies kind of outspending money. So they're thinking, let's fill up the coffers while we can, get some cash on board. We won't necessarily tell people what it's for at the moment, but then we'll have some cash that we can deploy at some point in the future if we see investment opportunities coming along, and especially if the fundraising window closes for other companies.
Nice to have a good pile of cash there. The Chinese internet frenzy rolls on with convertible bonds, the latest plan.